How to change video quality on iPhone.
Hey there, iPhone users. Today, we're going to walk through the process of changing the video quality and resolution settings on your device. This is essential if you want to save storage space or need higher quality recordings. Changing these settings is simple, so let's dive right in.
Why change video quality?
There are a few reasons you might want to adjust the video quality. Save storage space. Lower resolutions consume less space. Improve video quality. If you're filming something special, a higher resolution captures more detail. Sharing and upload. Some platforms or sharing methods might have limits, requiring you to use a lower resolution.
Accessing camera settings.
To adjust video resolution, you'll need to access the camera settings on your iPhone. 1. Open Settings from your home screen. 2. Scroll down and select Camera. 3. Tap on Record Video.
Choosing the right resolution.
Now that you're in the video settings, 1. Several resolution options will be displayed, like 2. 720p at 30 fps 3. 1080p at 30 fps 4. 1080p at 60 fps 5. 4K at 24 fps 6. 4K at 30 fps 7. 4K at 60 fps 8. Tap on the desired resolution. A check mark will appear next to your choice, indicating it's been selected. 9. Once selected, your iPhone will automatically save this setting and use it the next time you record a video.
Understanding FPS, frames per second.
You might have noticed FPS mentioned in the resolution options. FPS stands for frames per second. A higher FPS will result in smoother video, but it will also consume more storage. For example, 60 FPS videos are smoother than 30 FPS but take up more space. Consider your purpose. If you're filming fast action like sports, a higher FPS might be beneficial. For regular use, 30 FPS is usually sufficient. There you have it. You've just learned how to change video quality and resolution on your iPhone. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all setting. Choose the resolution that best fits your needs. Happy filming, and I hope this guide proves helpful in capturing all those precious moments.